Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive Tron using your Tron Watch wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to copy and paste the address, and we're going to have to access the Tron Watch wallet, and then we're going to copy and paste the public address. So I'll show you what that looks like. Go ahead and access your Tron wallet. It looks like this. If you have not yet downloaded a Tron Watch wallet, go ahead and check out my previous tutorials on how to do that. All you're going to have to do is open it up and put in your password. And again, we use password managers. We specifically use KeyPass.info. That's best for Windows users. And we also use Dashlane.com, which is good for Mac and in general. Both of them are free. Go ahead and make sure you are using a password manager. And once you get your password, you'll be able to log in into Tron Watch. So here I am logged in. We're going to go to my first account here. So I technically have 3 loaded up right here. So I'll just go to the first one and click this receive button and click copy address. So that's all you have to do for step number 1. And step number 2 is to send the public address to the account sending you Tron. And you're going to have to send an email or a private message to the person sending you Tron with 2 things. You're going to need your public address, so send them that. And also in that same message, tell them to send you a small test transaction first and then send the rest. So I'll take you through that process right here. We'll go back to Tron here. And what I'm going to do is go to my third account because I have almost 4,000 Tron in here. And I put Tron in here from my last video. So go ahead and check out my last video if you want to see how I did that. But what I'm going to do, since I have Tron here, I'm going to click the send button and then paste that same address that I got, which is Command V for me. Again, this address is from my first account. You could tell it's the same address by looking at the last 6 characters right here, which say H, capital M, capital G, M, 5, N. And if I go back to the first account here and click receive, you'll see the same thing. H, capital M, capital G, M, 5, N. So that's the same thing. So it is the same address. What I'm going to do is send a test transaction. And I know a test transaction would be about 200 Tron, which is about $5. So I'll go ahead and stick with that number and click send. And I'll click confirm. And it should send almost instantly. So if I check my account here, you'll see that it pops up. Boom, right there. So great. Let's move on to step number 3, which is to verify the pending transaction on the Block Explorer. The Block Explorer we're using for this video is trxplorer.io, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is the Tron Block Explorer, and in this search right here, what I'm going to do is go back to my wallet. I will click on this transaction right here, and it said that it's sent to this address. So what I can do is click on receive here, copy this address, go back to this Tron Block Explorer and click paste and enter. And you'll see that this is the transaction right here. So great. If I look at this last transaction ID, it just sent the 200 Tron to this account. So that's actually all we have to do for step number 3 is to verify that it's pending. And you could see it right here that I did send it to the right address, and you can see the transaction ID right here, which is this one right here. So let's move on to step number 4, which is to receive the Tron. And we're going to have to check our Tron Watch wallet, and I'll show you what that looks like. So again, all we have to do on Tron Watch is go to the account I sent it to, and you'll see it right here that I sent myself 200 Tron, and it looks like I sent it to myself 3 minutes ago. Let's move on to step number 5 here, which is to receive the rest of the Tron to the Tron Watch wallet. And we're going to have to confirm to the sender that sent us the Tron that we received the test transaction first, I'm going to have to either email them or send them a private message saying, yes, I received the test transaction. And then once they get that message, they'll send me the rest. So since I sent it to myself, I know that I received it. So I'll go ahead and continue this process to show you again how the process looks like. I'm sending it to this first account, right? So I'll go ahead and click receive and click copy address right here. And then I'm going to go to my second account here and then click send and paste that address into here using Command V using my MacBook. And the number that I'm going to put into here is actually this one, which says 3,782. So I'll go ahead and put that number, 3,782. And I could even put the 0.852 in there, which is $94.22. I'll go ahead and click send and click confirm. And if I go back to the first account here, you'll see it pop up any second now. Boom. There it is. So congratulations, you successfully received Tron from another person or from another account. And that's all I wanted to show you for this video. In my follow-up videos for Tron Watch and for Tron, I'll show you how to back up the wallet, protect the wallet, and even update it. So stay tuned for that. And if you like watching my blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint. And you could get 10% off using my promo code Denny2018. Go ahead and check out the display address here on the screen or check out the links below. You could also follow our cryptocurrency market team on Twitter. My handle is Denny Lovejoy. You could find my crypto mentors Taizen and LeonFu.com at Hey Taizen and Leon C. Fu. Thanks again for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave me a comment below or send it to me on Twitter. Thanks again. Have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.